one thing is one thing is for sure. Talagang you'll be amazed with the nature kasi protected area din pala ito. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, pupunta kami sa Manga Falls. This is my second time. That was, I guess, 4 years ago. At ngayon, babalikan ko na naman siya ulit. Kung anong meron doon. Kasi kasama to sa balik probinsya ko. Yan. Kasamahan ko yung mga pamangkin ko, relatives. Yan. Kasamahan ko. Kaya, malayo kasi maglalakad kami ng about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So let us see what will happen doon sa falls na pupuntahan namin. Kaya wag bibitaw at samahan niyo ako. Bye! What's up guys, I'm back and from here naririnig ko na yung tubig sa falls. Yeah, ayun, pero grabe ang hirap. Okay, okay, samahan ko. Yan. Ganda ng forest dito. Again, I am with the nature. Grabe. Yan. One thing is for sure. Talagang you'll be amazed with the nature kasi protected area din pala ito eh. I'm hoping na kita kami ng unggoy, monkey. Yan. So, kahingal. Sobra. Hinihingal ako. Pero okay lang. Worth it yung paglalakad namin. Yan yung kasamahan ko. Tour guide namin. Grabe. Kaya, yun, malapit na kami. Siguro mga 20 minutes. Yan. Pasilip ko lang ha. Yan. Yun yung mga lugar na pupuntahan namin. Yan. Sobrang ganda, di ba? See you later, bye-bye. Yan, finally we are here. Okay. Nakikita niyo yung view na yun? Yan na yung falls, Manga Falls. Grabe. Pero sobrang ganda, refreshing. Oh. Yan. Diyan yung pupuntahan namin ngayon. Okay. Yan. Yan. Falls na yan. Okay? Yun. See you later. Puntahan ko lang. Doon na yung mga kasamahan ko. Yan. Yan, may naliligo na. Yan. Sobrang lakas. Dito na kami. Hindi nyo maririnig yung boses ko kasi maybe sobrang ingay. Ay, sobrang ingay pero here we go! Here we go! Oh! Yan. Galing ba? Yan. Sobrang ganda, diba? Yan. Finally, we are here already. And then, you see, after 30 or 45 minutes of walking, ito na. Narating na namin yung falls, Manga Falls. Yan. Sobrang ganda, diba? Malapit lang sa ano namin, sa lupa namin. Kaya yan. Medyo madilim ng konti. Yan. Okay. Mag-swimming kami later. And then, uwi na rin yan. Yan yung mga pama. Hi! Welcome back! Did you enjoy? Very much? Yan, pangalawang falls na pinunta namin to. Lagi ka to kasama yung pamangkin ko. Okay? So, keep on watching guys and don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell and comments down below. See you later! Mag-swimming muna kami. Bye-bye! Hi, we are done with our swimming and it's time for me now to share with you my moments in the falls. Coming here, doon sa falls, sobrang hirap, sacrifices. Kasi yung daanan is sobrang tricky. And so, pagdating namin, when we arrived to the falls, the sacrifices are just blown away. Okay? Same thing in life. That sacrifices and hardship are always there to inspire us and to help us to become more stronger. Because without sacrifices, I guess, nothing is impossible, no? I mean, we cannot be who we are, kung anong meron tayo ngayon, kung wala tayong sakripisyo. Diba? Because if we want to aim something in life, we really have to do some sacrifices, because at the end of the day, all our sacrifices will be paid off. Ika nga, there is always a rainbow after the storm or after the rains. That is my greatest learning for today. Because I thought di ko kakayanin doon pag-akyat namin. Kaya hindi na kami dumaan doon. Dito na kami dumaan sa kabila. Kaya, keep on watching, guys. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe, comment down below, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified in my next live. Bye-bye. God bless, and to God be the glory.